words in case you disappear. Come on.
I love you all. Mommy, I love you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl EfyaKimora here. If you're out here, I really appreciate you for coming back always. But if today is your first time clicking on my video, I appreciate you as well. But please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more of such interesting, adventurous and educative content. In my previous video, I visited Kirinyaga Falls somewhere in Kirinyaga County in Kirinyaga town. In that same county, which is the Kirinyaga County, there are a lot of uncountable waterfalls. And in addition, we were able to do 5 more waterfalls to the Kirinyaga Falls. So in this video, I'm going to take you through all these falls, like one after the other. But pardon me, I'm not so familiar with the roads and the names of the places and give you correct direction, but I hope you stay tuned to enjoy this amazing adventure. Let's get right into the video. Let's go. Kirinyaga County is about 140 kilometers drive from Nairobi city, and there are a lot of uncountable waterfalls to visit here, as I said earlier. But it will be much easier and advisable if you come along with your car, or you come here with a private car. With that, you can do a lot and also enjoy the beauty of this county and as well as Kenya. Let me tell you something, the road network is very good. The internet connection too is very good. So with that, you can do a lot. You can check your map, zoom in. When you zoom in, you're going to see a lot of waterfalls around. Check distance and also visit as well. So let me take you through mine.
Timothy, what's the name? What's the name again? Porridge.
Yeah.
Just porridge.
Yeah, it's just porridge.
I thought it's having a name.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, come again. No, come again.
Oshoro.
Oshoro.
Wagokio.
Wagokio. Oshoro Wagokio. Okay, so Oshoro Wagokio.
Take the next left onto MOMO, Kangaita Road.
Mountain Valley. Okay, this is like the interiors, the proper
In
interiors.
500 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Oh, we've arrived. That was fast. Should I keep going? Oh, we've arrived. That's crazy. Oh, there it is. Those are the falls.
Yeah.
So,
Oh no, you can't see it from here.
how do we get there then? Is it where we're going, or is it here? I don't
Your
know.
destination is on the left.
Oh yeah, they are down there. They are down there. So we are here at another waterfall on the episode of Chasing Waterfalls in Kenya. We are here at another waterfall. I'm going to find out the name then. So let's go. The waterfall is just down there. Down there. So let's go. Descending all the way from up there. Then the waterfall is way below here. So I have some few steps down, and it's gonna make a lot of noise down there. The basement is so large, like so large. Kenya is having a lot of beautiful waterfalls, and I'm I'm so much happy seeing it and excited sharing it with you also.
Wow.
Yeah. You gonna food? You gonna have the food? You haina taka drink?
Iko tuna hiking.
Hiking tu Hiking ni kwenda wapi?
Hiking tunapelekwa Three Waterfalls.
Three
Wa
Waterfalls.
kwanza Atiriki wa pili na ingine inaitwa Itirire.
Oh. Dipa iko wapi?
Diba. Diba na ukifika.
Diba, kwenda Diba nitarudi hivi then nichukue.
Nataka hii diba ingine iko side hii.
Oh, twende Kaso. Tutapata kitu tutaonea Diba hapo. Oh, unaona Diba Resort. So how much is a night?
Oh, unasema diba kwa. Oh.
Charging 1,500 Kenyan shillings for the entrance fee. I don't think they're going to do it. 1,500 Kenyan shillings for the entrance fee. It's like 140. So that's all. Have to go see another waterfall because my still chasing waterfall.
Where is it?
Oh no. So we are on our way to another one. Oh, this place is beautiful.
Lord.
So guys, environment, the area, view of where the waterfall is. Even the rough road looks so roughed out. So beautiful.
At the Katiri waterfall, they were charging 1,500 Kenyan shilling for entrance fee, and we thought it was too high because we were just there for like pictures and just get into the water, but we didn't do anything there, so we didn't pay any entrance fee, so we got free content. You get it? So right now we are on our way to Castle Forest Lodge, just 7.8 kilometers drive. That is 40 minutes drive from Kimunye town to the Castle Forest Lodge. So let's go.
Oh, there it is. Efya.
Oh, so we are So we are here, Castle Station, Kenya Forest Service. That is the fall.
Huh?
I heard some sound. I thought it's the fall.
No, it's a AC. I've closed
So we are still on the episode of Chasing Waterfall in Kenya, and we are here at Castle Forest Lodge, somewhere in the bush area. So we are going to our next waterfall. Castle Forest Lodge. So that's the. Let me show you. Turn the camera. On the episode of Chasing Waterfall, this is our third waterfall, so you have to go back to watch all the videos. Then I'll get the name right. Please let me watch my steps because they say it's slippery. I might fall down. So let me turn the camera for you to see. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Can you hear it? Can you hear the fall? There we go. Go, 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 go. Like that. And they say from here we can go see Mount Kenya. And from what I've been told, they say there is snow on the mountain. So I'm still doing this with my Kenyan friend here. So we are here already. Oh wow, the atmosphere and the serenity and the saturation around here looks very lovely. Can you see it? Oh, I'm coming! Oh, I'm coming! Ah. Oh, you see that? So I have to move closer. Like I think you can go down here. But let me go top. Then show you the waterfall. I'm going to be. So?
yeah. Inside the forest, the rainforest in Lungu. This is what you see.
Okay.
Oh my god.
See? Come to Kenya.
Hey, it's biting you?
No, I feel like, oh yeah.
Remove it from your skin.
Yes, I have. So you see, not seen anything yet. I'm here to take you all the way down. Yeah, it's very cool. It's cold here. So that's the source where it's coming from. So I'm trying to see if I can get down there because there are a lot of ants here. There are a lot of ants. A lot of ants. A lot of ants. A lot of ants. I'm taking out this rig. What the hell? What is that? Really? Oh, it's a pipe. There's a pipe that is doing the bubble. Hey, my leg, ants. Oh. Ants all over. Fuck. Ants all over my shoes. Fuck it. Ooh. Ooh. This place looks so... Finally, I've gotten the view for you guys. You see it? Oh, it wasn't easy getting down here. A lot of ants. Like, they'll be climbing your body like, oh, come on here. Nature is really beautiful. God is great. Nature is wonderful. You get it, guys? Yeah, I'm exaggerating, but I'm not exaggerating. But like, the place looks so beautiful. You can swim in. It's not that deeper. Get it? Ooh, the ants are all over my body. Ooh. This is how it looks like. It comes all the way down. Down. You get it, guys? It's not that deep. You can even see. You can see the depth of it from here. Then it goes in different direction. Like some goes there, and this one goes there. You got it? Like so, you can just swim here. Wow. Oh, there are ants all over. Oh, so I'm here. Oh. My friend can't come down. She can't come down because there are ants all over the place. Wow. I think they will go. They are on a migration period. They are moving to somewhere else. Woo.
The second one, let me show you. My dress.
I'll go there.
Huh?
I'll go there.
Go alone.
Yeah.
Go alone, but don't stay. It's scary.
Let me see. Oh, what? That thing is so cold. Woo!
Come on.
Okay, so I'm actually...
Come on.
I love you all. I love you so much. Mommy, I love you. Down. Eva. This thing is so cold, like I'm freezing. What? This is so cold.
Careful. Any last words in case you disappear? Come on.
I love you all. Mommy, I love you. So there is another waterfall up this one. I'm really tired. Fuck it. Oh Jesus. This looks so bad. Sorry for my panting. Look at it. Look at it. It's just some 10 steps and you see it. Oh, okay. On the episode of Chasing Waterfall, this is number 4. So 2 waterfalls in this particular video. So you have to go back and then watch it and enjoy. I'm doing this for you guys. See the world through my lens. Enjoy the beauty of Africa through my lens. Okay, so they say from here you can see Mount Kenya. So we are on our way to go and see. So let's go. It's cold, it looks scary out here. Yeah, my friend is down there. But it's not visible. Yeah. Mountain Kenya. Mountain Kenya.
Mount Kenya.
These are the lodges. Oh.
I think these are the rooms, yeah.
This is really countryside.
All this place is the Castle Forest Lodge. The waterfall is very close. Even at the premises, you can hear the fall, like 1 minute walking distance. And the entrance fee to access this place is 500 Kenyan shilling per person. They have a restaurant there. When you come here, if you want to buy food, yeah, any food, you can go there. They have lodge here. If you want to lodge, you can also lodge. The environment is very, very beautiful.
I got you.
From Castle Forest Lodge, we drove 53 kilometers to Sagana, also in Kirinyaga County, to a place called Havila to see the fall. We just went there to see the fall, and we also drove back 11 kilometers to this fall called Jangwani to grab some lunch. It's in Muranga County, and that does it. We did all this waterfall chasing within a day, and we were able to visit mm, two plus like 6 waterfalls within a day. You get it? And you can do all these. Then there are more and more waterfalls to do in Kirinyaga County. You get it? Thank you for staying tuned to watch to the end. I appreciate it so much. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, share, and until meet again in my next video. It's your girl EfyaKimora here. Love you and bye bye.